Oh, come on, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I really love to walk around here. It's so peaceful. Look at this. Well, let's get into this path to find out where it's gonna take us. Wow. You are good, Selma, yeah? Mira, por eso necesito la cámara con el trípode, ¿eh? Yeah, the tripod, the camera to record. We need to invest in equipment. No, we are gonna get a proper one with the camera. Yeah, at the moment. At the moment. Yeah, my mom has to come this way, you know? Yeah. With you always we find adventure, babe. Qué chulo, ¿no, Pocho? Oof, I love this, you know? Yeah.
Hello guys, so today we're going to the hairdresser. And what we're gonna do today?
Well, first of all, good morning, guys. It's 8:39 in the morning. Yeah. So we are on our way to the hairdresser, and I'm gonna do my keratin because I really need it. My hair is a completely mess.
I'm gonna get some highlights as always to maintain my blonde. I'm just gonna do it in my roots, and that's it.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do a treatment to moisturize my hair as well.
Okay.
So,
So see you guys. We will show you when we are over there. Mwah.
mwah.